Hi all, welcome back. This is VLP Creations. Today our topic is that how to update PUBG Mobile to 1.3.0 and how to play PUBG Mobile without VPN. Don't skip this video and watch full video. If you skip this video, you may not understand some points. It's already too late. Let's start the video. Before starting the video, welcome to my channel VLP Creations. First of all, uninstall the PUBG Mobile which is already there in your mobile. Open the app info and first clear the data. And after that, click on uninstall. See, here I am uninstall the game. You can see that PUBG Mobile is deleted from my mobile. Now open the Play Store and search for a VPN. I prefer to go with VPN Turbo VPN Lite because it's working very well. And install it and open it and connect to the server. And after opening the VPN, you will see this page and click on the tap to connect. After tap to connect, it will connect to the server. Right now it's connected to USA. I think you can see that USA, United States. Click on the link which is available in description, or else you can search in website also. Open a Google Chrome for this, and after opening this, enter the website, that is www.pubgmobile.com. After that, click on search. After search, it will redirect you to this page, and you can see this is the page, and here you can see that APK download. The app size is 943 MB. Click on it, then download the file. Just now I have clicked on it and you can see that the download symbol. This is the file and it is 943 MB, and you can see I am opening the details, and here you can see PUBG Mobile Global 1.3.0. It is downloading. I will skip some video because it may take some time. The speed is dependent upon your Wi-Fi or your internet. And don't disconnect the VPN. Keep in mind, I will say when we have to disconnect the VPN. Until that, watch it. Here you can see it is already downloaded. It is 0.99 GB. I am installing right now, and it's starting the app. And click on install. It may take some time. It is successfully installed and it is under scanning. After scanning, open the PUBG Mobile app. After opening the application, it will ask some permissions. You can see this is the sum of the permission. Click the allow. It is the permission, that is storage. And after that, you can see my VPN is connected. Don't disconnect the VPN till I save, and it's checking for update. Let's see what will come. It's preparing the resource, and it's downloading 9.3 MB over more new update, and it may take some time. It's depend upon your internet or your Wi-Fi. It's downloaded, updated, finished. Please restart the game. Okay, let's start the game again. It is closed, and let me open the game again. You can see, friends, it's loading. And keep in mind, VPN has to not disconnect now also. Let me tell when we have to disconnect. Okay, for that was the full video, and it's again checking for the updates. Let's see, and click on accept. Let's see that, and click on it accept, and after that tick this agreements, and after that click on Facebook and tick on this and this, and click on the Facebook, and it's loading. Compelling resources, it may take some time. Let me skip some. However, after that, successfully game was open, and you can see my game is open, and the VPN has to not disconnected now also. And first of all, make sure that download the everything which files which you want, like maps, skins, or nothing. Everything you have to download before disconnecting the VPN only. You can see here right now I am updating the new event map, and you can download the map which you want to play, and it's depend upon your wish. You can download your interested maps which you want to play, and right now I am updating the new event map. And after that, come to the inventory and let load every skin. If not, the skins will not show to you of others. For example, if I am using this dress means if you not download this dress skin means it will not show to you in game. So let download everything, every skin in this, and guns, everything in everywhere, guns, skins, and parachute skin, mask skin, everything, every skin you have to download. Let give some time, it will depend upon your internet speed. Let's load it, and after that you can see that everything is downloaded. You can see here I am downloading everything, skin, every skin. And after that close this. Now click on this shop and this event also, and here also download the each and every skin. If not, the opponent skins or else our teammate skins will not may see. And after this, open the settings. We have to do some new settings which will reset it by installing the new game. And here you can see that peek and fire and peek and open scope. Let on these two settings. If you need to open the scope when you peek, you can on this. And myself, I will give you this my best settings. Scope mode is mixed and lean mode is also mixed, and gyroscope is always on. And be sure that display left side fire button is in always on. By this you can see the both fire buttons, and the settings you can do as your wish also. Now come to the scope section and on the skip square switch. That's it, everything is completed. And make sure that you have to download the audio source also for new things. Let me show you which is that. And be sure to download these two files, that is voice packs and HD icons. HD icons is used too in games, and voice packs also used in games, that is like enemy said and form up and me. This for this you have to download the voice packs. That's it, over. Now the use of the VPN is over. After downloading everything, close the VPN and open the game. Let me show you. I have disconnected my VPN in live. And here you can see I am disconnected with my VPN and again opening the app, and it will show you like this: server did not respond, please return to the login page. Click on OK and again click on OK and again also click on OK and OK. Now it will redirect you to this page, and after this click on the login. If you have Facebook means click on the Facebook. If not, you have mail means you can click on mail, and after that it will load some time, and it will take some time to load. And here after loading, the game is open successfully, and the game is open without VPN. And keep in mind, if you want to download any resource file or any map or everything about skins or something else, if you want to download something from the game means you have to connect to the VPN. And after downloading everything, you can disconnect your VPN and you can play your game smoothly and successfully. And this is our today video, friends. I hope everyone is understand it clearly that how to play PUBG without VPN and how to update to PUBG, that is from 1.3.0. And this is our today video, friends, and don't forget to hit a like and subscribe button if this trick is worked nice. Before ending video, thanks for watching VLP Creations. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.